Hebrews chapter 13. Keep on luin een another like family. Mine unwelcome in a friend to your house. Some folk have teen in sins without kenning it. Mine on a folk at are in the jail, as gin you were there with them. Mine on all far are suffering as gin you were suffering with them. Marriage is honourable to all. And man and wife maun be faithful to een another. Almighty will judge whoremongers and them that commit non-marital sexual intercourse. Keep your lives red o' hankering after siller. Be contented wi' fit ye got. Almighty said, I'll never leave ye nor forsake ye. We can be stout, sign, and say, A meester's my help, and I'll nae be feared. Fit can ony man do to ma. Mind on your leaders, for spak a word Almighty till ye. Think on a why they conducted themselves, and ye do the same gate in your faith. Jesus nitateens I a same, yestereen, a day, and forever. Dinna be carried awa wi' all kind of curious learnings. Where sentient beings maun win their strength fae mercy Almighty, and nae throw rowels about fit wi' it. Them at's gain do not road have had nae help ava. Our altar is een at the priest o a Yowish tabernacle have nae richt to et at. Fin the bleed of beasts was gien as an offering for Ildeans be a high priest in a pure place. A beastie's bodies were burnt outside the camp. A same way, Jesus, when he sanctified men via shedding o' his bleed, suffered outside a gate a tune. Let's gang out till him sign, outside a camp and share his shame. We have nae permanent tune here, but we seek the een at's to come. Through Jesus' sign, let's offer up never eenen praise to Almighty. We lips at gie thanks till his name. But we maunna forget to do gweed to other folk and help een another. Cause that's the sacrifices that please Almighty. Do fit your leaders tell ye and follow their orders. They're watching o'er your sentient beings, cause they maun gie an account to Almighty. Let it be a happy duty for them and nae a truckle. Cause that does ye nae gweed. Pray for is, we're sure our conscience is clear. The ae thing we're seeking is to aye do richt. And I prig wi' ye to pray your hardest say I mith be sent back till ye all a seener. Nu, Almighty o' peace, for brought back fae the deed were meester Jesus nitateen, at great shepherd o' a sheep. Through a bleed o' his everlasting covenant, mak ye perfect in all gweedness say ye mith do his bidden, and mith he work in his fits pleasing till him. Through Jesus nitateen, to fa be a stem forever and ever. So be it. Fit I've said, my friends, I would gar ye talk wi, cause this scriving nae vera long. I'm on tell ye where brother Timothy's been lottin' out. Gin he comes here or long, he'll be wi' me fon I see ye. Tell all your leaders and your Boraka caadines, we were spearing for them, and we're friends in Italy are spearing for ye too. Grace be wi' ye all. So be it.